Mastering the GRE Analytical Writing Section. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the GRE-specific content, focusing on the analytical writing section. This segment will guide you through the essentials and provide insights on how to excel in this critical part of the test. The analytical writing section of the GRE is designed to assess your critical thinking and analytical writing skills. It's not just about knowing big words or crafting complex sentences. Instead, it focuses on your ability to articulate and support complex ideas effectively and clearly. This section comprises two tasks. 1. Analyze an issue. Here, you'll be presented with an opinion on a broad issue and asked to write a response in which you discuss the extent to which you agree or disagree with the opinion, and why. 2. Analyze an argument. For this task, you'll read a short passage that presents an argument and then write a response in which you evaluate the logical soundness of the argument. Each task has a 30-minute time limit, giving you ample time to think and organize your thoughts before penning them down. The analytical writing section is scored on a scale of 0 to 6, in half-point increments. 2 graders will independently evaluate your essays, and the scores are averaged. The focus is on the overall quality of your writing and reasoning. Here's a quick breakdown. 6. Outstanding. Demonstrates superior analytical writing skills. 5. Strong. Displays clear competence, though it may have minor errors. 3 to 4. Adequate. Displays overall competence, with some issues. 2. Limited. Demonstrates limited analytical writing capability. 1. Weak. Demonstrates serious deficiencies in writing skills. 0. Off-topic or not written in English. 1. Practice. Familiarize yourself with the types of prompts given so that there are no surprises on test day. 2. Outline. Before writing, create a quick outline to organize your thoughts. It helps ensure that your essay is cohesive. 3. Stay objective. When analyzing an argument, avoid emotional language. Stick to logical reasoning. 4. Proofread. Before submitting, quickly read through your essay to catch any glaring grammar or spelling errors. The GRE Analytical Writing Section is a valuable opportunity to showcase your reasoning and writing skills. With preparation and strategy, you can master this section and leave a strong impression. We hope this video has shed light on what to expect and how to prepare. Best of luck, and keep practicing.